yung last day namin sa Nina Hotel sa Chunwon West. 2106 yung room namin dyan. Makikita nyo dito sa paglakad namin sa labas, malungkot si baby girl kasi attached na siya sa hotel. Malungkot siya, naaalis na kami. Pero hindi nila alam, may mas malaking sorpresa kami sa kanila. Dahil sa pag-check out namin sa Nina Hotel, maglalakbay kami papunta naman sa Disneyland Resort kung saan kami ay mag-check-in sa Hollywood Hotel. At yan ang makikita nyo sa video na ito. Nag-taxi nga lang kami at nagbiyahe ng 17 minutes mula Nina Hotel sa Chunwon West papuntang Disneyland Resort kung saan matatagpuan ang Hollywood Hotel. Mixed emotions na nga kami pero ang sigurado mas higit ang excitement. 3 days and 2 nights kami dito sa Disneyland at sinadya namin na ilagay ito sa dulo ng itinerary para we will end the adventure with a bang. Ito na nga at nakarating na kami sa Hollywood Hotel. Apakababait ng mga tao. They're so warm and so friendly and everybody just waves at you. Look at this lobby. It's so grand. It's majestic. It's different kasi themed siya for kids talaga. So, ang ganda-ganda ng paligid. Ang bango-bango ng hotel. Eto at nag-check-in na ako. Kasama ko ang mga makukulit. In as much as this trip is really for the kids and to celebrate Jodi's birthday, iba pa rin talaga yung saya ng magulang dahil sa totoo lang, Disney fan din ako at si Daddy, syempre, sino ba naman ang may ayaw sa mga Avengers.
So, mom is checking in. It's now 6:30. So, from Chunwon, mga 15-20 minutes ride lang, taxi ride. So ngayon, ito yung mga bata. Habang the parents are checking in, the kids can stay here and watch cartoons. They're watching Mickey Mouse and Friends. Six, 3, 2. Here. Guest room. Press up. Si Rajo dyan, sa loob ka. We're here. Go inside.
What am I gonna press?
6.
There's guys here.
6. There, here.
Where's the light here?
There, oh. 6.
3, 2.
Oh, come here. Let's go, guys. Shh, not too loud. I know you're excited, but not too loud. Huwag mo akong unahan. Ang kulit. 6, 3, 2. Oh no! Oh, 1 lang ate. Next time ka na ulit.
Jodi, come here. Let Rajo in. Kami muna ni Rajo, tapos kapasok kayo ni Jodi,
sige.
okay? Kaso, anak, balik. Go.
Oh. I'll pull it out. Oh, go, open.
Welcome!
What can you say, ate?
I'm so happy!
Oh, Jodi! Happy birthday!
You have a cake again!
Cake towel!
Cake towel! That's for you! Wow!
Si Rajo.
So, ito yung room namin. Si Minnie and Mickey. Ito yung CR.
Look, Jodi!
So, we have a bathtub. Hindi katulad sa Nina Hotel na hiwalay. So, siya magkasama yung shower. Tsaka bathtub.
With magical memory.
Coffee tayo.
Happy day.
Yung mga tea. Feel na talaga.
Mickey!
Even the sugars, naka-specialize yun na ano, Disneyland.
I'm done my first now.
Okay, very good. Where will you put it? Oh, just put it there. Yes.
This one.
Yan. Thank you, Rajo. Wow!
Ganun kami kasaya, pati tsinelas, hindi namin pinalampas. Tuwang-tuwa kami talaga.
This for Rajo. You have sleepers, Rajo. Yes!
I just checked the size.
Okay, thank you!
Where's Daddy?
Ang galing.
Galing na personal touch.
Okay, so we've got Goofy. And the kids are unpacking our groceries.
It's not cold yet. Later.
Oh, lalagay lang muna para maging cold. So these are
Para
all of our
cold.
groceries here.
Ay, hindi masarap pag hindi cold.
Tapos may nilalagay kaming mga juice inside. We've got dumplings. Ay. Ikaw. Buksan mo.
Uh-oh.
Show it to mommy. Yeah. So we've got dumplings and juice and Rajo. Oh, close it na. How do you close it? Wow! Galing. Ang galing mo mag-close. We have colds and cough syrup, cherry. I don't know what brand. I cannot pronounce. Ah!
So, amenities, eto siya. Pag binuksan mo siya, there is something inside. 4 cups for the little boy, for the little girl, for mommy, and for daddy. Tapos, nandito yung mga amenities, yung comb, yung panlinis ng tenga, tapos toothbrush ni mommy and daddy, may color blue and color white. Tapos for the kids, we have 2 toothbrush, 1 pink and 1 blue. Nandito kami sa labas, kukuha kami ng yellow. So self-service ang yellow dito. Ice machine. Press! Press pa! Sige pa, press! Oh, si ate naman. Ate Jodi naman. More ate. Sige pa. More. Okay, enough. Help him pull. Pull. Let's go. Paano ako?
Bye-bye.
Paano ako? Hindi pwede.
Is it 6631?
No.
6630?
No.
6632?
Yes. O, baka matapon natin yung ice, ha?
Teka, may ice ka na. Oh, kasi hi, Tita Chin and Yong.
Hi, Tita Jim! Thank you!
Oh, hi,
Mamaya
Tita
pakita.
Chin.
Hi.
Oh,
Hi, Tita
sila Master, tsaka si Madam.
What?
Marami-raming OT katapat nito na, Daddy.
Oo.
What?
May mga bathrobe for kids and sleepers for kids.
Very good.
Me, man.
Oh, ikaw naman. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
I'll do this.
Spider-Man!
Oh, yeah.
Alright, okay.
In peso, alam nyo ba na 10,000 plus ang Bibidi Bobidi Boutique? Grabe, ang ganda talaga nun. Pero syempre, ang momshi ninja moves na lang. Kaya nagdala kami ng sariling costume. Nag-prepare ako nung para sa hair niya, para maging bun. Tapos meron din siyang crown. And dito na lang siya sa hotel nag-pictorial kasi feeling ko hindi niya mapapanindigan yan dun sa theme park. And dahil marami namang mga locations dito sa hotel, sinulit na lang namin lahat ng sulok ng hotel. Nagsimula kami mag-picture dun sa lobby kung saan may mga TV para sa mga bata. Nilakaran namin ulit yung hallway kung nasa ng mga Avengers. Siyempre, hinintuan namin ang monument ni Mickey Mouse. Very iconic yan. Kaya medyo nag-take time kami dyan. Siyempre, memories yan ng mga bata hanggang paglaki nila.
So, Baymax? That's Baymax.
Dede.
No, that's not Dede. That's Baymax.
Sobrang magiging treasured memory to. Sabi nga ni Jodi, ito ay magiging part ng kanyang core memories.
Woody.
Oh my!
Mrs. Incredible. Hollywood and Dine. Malibu Games. Kaso ano lang siya. 9 to 9. With mommy. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go.
Yun yung outside together niyo.
Sige, go. Wow.
Mommy, it's a little colder.
I know, but we can manage.
So, nandito kami sa Mulholland Drive, going to the swimming pool, Sunset Boulevard, and Hollywood Boulevard. Yun yung parang pinaka-bar. We'll see. We'll look at it. May mga cars for the kids. Yeah, drive-in movie. Drive-in movie tayo.
Kaso late na kaming dumating, tapos na yung movie. Kaya eto, sinakyan na lang nila yung mga cars for the experience. Pero in fairness, ang cute nito para sa mga bata. Drive-in movie ang tawag dito. So free to for all of the kids who are checked in the hotel.
So Hollywood peg talaga siya. Tingnan mo yung ilaw, oh.
Ay, oo nga.
Di ba? Yellow light. Oh, ayun, oh. There's the pool. They're putting water.
Try to slide.
Oh, maybe tomorrow. We might if it's not cold, okay?
Okay.
We're here in Hollywood Hotel. Hi. Okay. So meron pa doon parang amphitheater. Come here na.
Sa mga nagbabalak na pumunta rito, to all the parents out there, sobrang sulit to. Pasok to sa core memories. At para sa amin naman, I only wish that this is only the beginning of our adventures together as a family.
Something I tell was so funny. Something I want. Something I tell.
So may bar pa rin siya dito. Yan, may mga nagdadatingan pa. Mukhang galing to ng ano? Mukhang galing to ng Disneyland. Ladies!
Thank you so much.
Sir?
Our princess. And the queen. And the prince.
Gusto lang naman talaga namin makuha yung POV ni Rajo dito. Di naman namin akalain ganyan kagalawang hawak niya sa camera. For the record, in this video, Rajo's only 3 years old and Ate Jodi just turned 6 in Hong Kong.
Hello.
Hello.
Siyempre, puro tingin lang kami dun sa souvenir shop, wala kami nabili. Pero eto ang tip, magpapansin kayo sa mga hotel staff dahil baka kayo ay mabigyan ng free stickers or kung ano man kapag ka nakita nila na adorable ang inyong mga anak. Kaya ayan na nga, punong-puno ng stickers ang buong katawan ni Rajo.
Look up, look up. Ayan. And he's proud of it. Ubus.
Itabi mo yan, ha?
Itabi mo yan.
Nakita ni Rajo.
Halika na, Rajo. Let's go. And let's go. Oh.
I need to lock you.
Paano ko?
Punch, Daddy.
Oh. Oh, you close it na. Baliktad. Yan, okay. Ingat. Wow!